This is Jean.
So a ton of Valentine's Day things have come out in grocery stores and stuff. I have a Valentine's Day like potluck at work coming up. So I got a couple and we're gonna see which one is worth getting before the next few days. Which one do you want to try first?
Taste test! Ooh!
These are the red velvet white chocolate truffles. There we go. Here you go.
Thank you.
No problem. Here I go. Okay, ready?
Ooh, they're white. Look,
Yeah.
they're white. Okay, I'm gonna have a bite.
I'm gonna bite halfway. Does it taste like red velvet? Okay. Yeah, it just took a red velvet turn for me.
It tastes a little. Maybe I'll have another bite to be sure.
It's definitely a truffle though, like it's like a really smooth finish and stuff.
It has a hint. It's not very strong though. Are you okay?
Yeah. She took like another small bite. I ate the other half.
No, I gotta save my appetite for the rest of the stuff.
Let's see this.
Girl, this is my favorite. I love gummies.
There was one left.
Love. Are you
Yeah. No, seriously, there was like
I
last
love
one.
these.
Trader Joe's. Gummy X's and O's.
Oh yes, this is my type of stuff.
I can still taste the truffle in my mouth. Hold on.
Oh my good. XO. Cheers.
Cheers. XOXO.
It just tastes like a Swedish fish. The oat tastes better than the egg.
What?
Well, it depends. Try this one. Try this one. This one's like Swedish fish for sure.
They're all different colors. Yeah.
Right? For me, 5 ugly faces out of 10 ugly faces. No, wait.
What?
5 broken hearts out of 10 broken hearts. It's alright. It's just not what I expected.
So what happens when a snack gets 10 broken hearts? Let me just look at it.
No, then it becomes 1.
Oh.
Okay, this is addicting. It's not great, but it's addicting. That's what I'm saying.
They sort of taste like, have you had like Turkish Delight? I was like, sort of like that, but of course that's more powdery.
Ooh, assortment edition.
This is the
White chocolate creme brulee.
It's alright. It just tastes like, there's like a little twist to it, but they just mostly taste like white chocolate.
The heart fell out, so what should I do?
Snap it in half. She seems to be pretty good at breaking hearts straight today.
I know.
You had both at once?
Yeah. Okay. This one's pretty good.
I like this too.
Strawberry bark.
This stuff is so good. It's pretty. But if you don't like fake strawberry flavor, don't eat it.
I agree with that. White chocolate creme brulee. I would say this was my least favorite, so I would say 2 purple hearts out of 10 purple hearts.
I love how she describes the emojis to me so I know what to do when I'm editing.
This one was okay. It just wasn't amazing. So I would say maybe,
how many strawberries out of how many strawberries?
probably 4 out of 10 strawberries.
Oh my god! 40%!
I know. And then this one is the winner for me. Ding, 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 ding. And I would say maybe 8 Valentines out of 10.
I don't know what a Valentine's emoji looks like.
I don't know. But maybe you can put, oh no. So I'm gonna redo it.
Okay.
10 kissing people, 8 kissing people out of 10 kissing people.
What were the units again? I mean, I like these the same amount, and I like them both probably 7 out of 10. Whatever units they were. I am a generous person. Honestly, I wish the creme brulee texture was inside the strawberry bark. I wish the strawberry bark had like a graham cracker, like sort of base, or like there was like bits of it in it. And then this one I really like too. So 8 out of 10 for the dark and white chocolate. Ghirardelli always has really nice chocolate. Like
they're
incredible.
also from our hometown, SF. Okay. Oh yeah. Oh, what? Okay. I know I'm not gonna like this one.
Why are you gonna like this one?
I don't like cinnamon candy. Ready?
Ready.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh. No.
It's not that bad.
No, I just don't like cinnamon. I would say 1 girl going like this out of 10 girls going like this.
I don't think it's bad.
No, I mean good for you. I just have a bias against it because
I know. Honestly, I give it like an 8 out of 10 for a cookie. I got some cookie dough and I have cookie cutters, so I was gonna try to. I thought it'd be fun to like make like heart-shaped like cookies with them. Oh, dude, this is gonna be so much fun.
No, but I was like, no, like if you finish something, you finish something. You don't just like.
If you want something, you have to.
And like
Yeah.
she was so like, you know, like low key.
At least around here, no one's gonna give you.
Yeah.
What?
I'm stunned. What is this? For Valentine's Day.
It's a bulb.
It looks
Oh,
like.
it's the heart with an arrow through it.
Oh.
Totally forgot to film the end of the video yesterday, but these are the results of the cookies. Some of them are pretty heart-shaped, like this one. The smaller cutter is like the best. But yeah, no. Left to get some work done at the med center, but other than that, it was fun though yesterday, so we'll see you in the next video.
This just like killed me.
I know, it really did.
Yeah. I'm gonna love editing all the crinkly noises. Anyway, I just broke off the corner instead. It smells like cinnamon candy.
Oh my god! Oh my god! It smells like gum! The gum that you chew!